Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is currently Monday. Not really sure what today's date is, but when you see this video, it will be on the same day, which is whatever today's date is. Money that I set aside way before my paycheck and just never made a video about it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I hope you're having, of course, a great, happy Monday. I know Mondays can be a little rough. Let's go ahead and get started with the savings challenge. These right here, if you were wondering, I got all of these from Gina Renee RN Budgets when she had them up for sale on Instagram. So I have like a whole self-care binder. I have the life insurance. And I have the I Gotta Get Away. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my binders. I know I already have two A6. And I already have a binder for, I have the graduation binder that I won in a giveaway. I also have a holiday binder that I put together. So I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do the binders. Also, in the video, I will show you all something else that I want you to see. But, anywho, let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And let's see. Seven. So for these challenge, we're going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now these challenge has, well, in cash, it's some in the bank as well. So it got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 in total for cash. And all together it have, hold on. So these alphabet challenge all together has $35, and I will circle this off camera. So now for the life is a beach. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. And what I'm going to do, of course, since I don't have a printer, I'm going to swap you all over and screen record. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back. I have the challenge up and I just counted the money. We do have $14, and this challenge also have an extra dollar with it. So what I'm going to do is color in number 6. So 6, 7, 8, and then we got 8, and then I'll go ahead and do number 7 since it does have an extra dollar. And then we only have, let's see, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, $27 to go. So once I get some more money, I'll go ahead and finish this off by coloring 9, 8, and 10. And I'll go ahead and switch you all back over to the camera now. Okay, so you all are back on camera. So let me go ahead and close this up. And I'll fill those out off camera. So life is a beach. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. And of course, everything else is in the bank. So another thing I wanted to show you all was this here. I was looking at my sinking funds like I always do. And I came up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sinking funds, and of course the long-term sinking funds. So my long-term sinking funds would be new vehicle, the life insurance would go in there, dream home, and of course the quarterback. So for the first one, we got car, of course. That's for car, anything car related, tags, oil, wipers, car upkeep. Then we have home, which for home, it's pretty much is going to be household stuff, moving if we, do move next year. Can't forget about severe weather. We may, run into that problem since we're here in Tennessee. And then we have fun, which is for out to eat, short trips, outside stuff. And I am going to include birthdays and special occasion and fun. Of course, Christmas and holidays and all of that is included in fun. Next, we have health. That's for medical, dental, vision, copays, supplements, prescriptions. And then we have the prosperous funds, which is pretty much my emergency things, such as protecting the quarterback, a month ahead, reoccurring bills, next month's bills. I probably add one in, which I think that'll probably be doing too much. But I may add one in for no bonus. And it's exactly what it sounds like, no bonus. So let's say I don't get my bonus and need extra money, I can just go to that fund without having to, go to others. Of course, this is kind of like an emergency, but I prefer not to touch it. And so far, so good. I haven't touched it at all. And then we have one for family. We got one for Jasmine, friends, unexpected. Oh, nieces. I don't know what I was trying to say. God kids, travel when I go home, family stuff. Well, I had one for Travis. So that's it. So I pretty much went from 8 down to 6. And this is a binder by itself. So I'm thinking about how to add these in a binder. Of course, I'll have my self-care binder, as you can see, because that will be all mine. And then I'll probably put the sinking funds and long-term savings together. The life insurance and family, I can put that together since it kind of go together. The vacation one and fun, I could put that together. So I don't really know how I want to do it, but this is what I'm thinking. I know I have 2 binders right now for A6, and I think I need maybe 2 or 3 more. So once I figure it out, I'll figure out how many binders I do need to order, and when I do order them, I'll just grab them from Chris' shop or Amazon, whichever way. But other than that, that's it for this video. I hope you all have a happy Monday.